Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix OBS Game Capture black screen 2024. So if it's happening to you, have to just right click on this OBS Studio, then go to Properties, this one. In Properties, you have to choose Compatibility, this tab, and you have to click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. It is now scanning that if you have any problem. You can see that no changes update are necessary. If anything problem, it will be showing here, then you have to fix it, and then you have to click on this compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode, click on tick sign, and make sure it is Windows 8. If your Windows is lower than 8, then it will not open or not work for you. If your Windows is more than 8, then it can work for you. Now you have to click on apply, then click on OK. Now open, right click on this OBS Studio and choose open or run as administrator. Okay, click run as administrator and it will open, and now this time it will not black screen, or it will this is how you can fix game capture black screen in OBS Studio. Okay guys, so if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.